Hi, this is Miguel Miranda with Coldwell Banker. I'd like to welcome you to this week's edition of our open houses. Hope to see you all there, and I hope you all enjoy your weekend. Welcome to this week's open houses. My name is Duane "The Rock" Johnson. I am The Rock. He's my stunt double.
Yeah, I can see the resemblance.
This side usually. This is Miguel Miranda with Coldwell Banker, wanting to wish you a Merry Christmas in February. Coldwell Banker, wanting to wish you, why do I keep saying wish? All right, wanting to welcome you out to, there's too many W's up in there. I'd like to welcome you to this week's edition of our open houses. I had one line go, and hope you have a great weekend.
That's great.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that was okay. You can do it again, but that was at least usable.
Okay.
Yes.